What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will share you all some tricks which will help you all to reduce your battery usage on your iPhone. So currently this is the iPhone 10 which I am showcasing you all how to do this. So first thing is that you can just go to settings, then you can just go to battery, and then wait, let me load it. Yeah, so first thing is just go ahead and check your battery health. If it is above 83%, you do not want to replace your battery. If it is below, then you want to replace your battery. And always keep an eye on this chart because this is really helpful. This tells you the usage and everything about your iPhone. Now the next thing is location and services. So I recently noticed that this apps really take some juice from your device, like this camera Cure Fit app and many more apps which are just useless. I mean, not useless, but do it never or ask next time, so that whenever you want, you can do ask next time. So whenever you wanted to just go ahead and see the location, then you can just allow it. And then next is widgets. What is widgets? Like these are just updating in background. If you do not want this, as these are preloaded, and whenever you switch to widgets app, it just take a lot of juice. So now the next thing is the Apple Analytics. Go to the settings app, then go to reduce motions, and then turn off the reduce motion. Turn on the reduce motion. Actually on iPhone 10 specifically, I actually like the animations, and I wouldn't recommend you all to do it, as it is a powerful device. It do not need reduce motion. But if you want a little more juice out of your battery, then it is nice thing. Then next is go to privacy and analytics, then click on then see, this is on share iPhone analytics. Turn off this actually shares your iPhone data to Apple to develop some new features, but I actually would recommend you all to switch this. So next is switch off the automatic updates, because it take a lot of juice, and I have noticed it from when I turned off and when it was on. So that's it for today's video. If you want next part of this very detailed one, then be sure to leave a comment down below. Till then, peace out, and I will meet you all in the very next episode.